Once upon a time, there was a poor girl named Amira. She was not considered beautiful by the society standard. Her skin was rough from years of hard labor. Her clothes always second-hand. Her face often tired. People ignore her, mocked her, or simply looked past her. But what Amira lacked in appearance, she made up in for her heart. She has a rare kind of luck. Opportunity always seems to come her way when she needed them the most. She works hard and slowly built a life for herself. She got a decent job, started a small business on the side, and money finally started flowing. But her story wasn't just her. She had younger siblings, many of them, and parents who depended on her like she was their only Every time hope. She saved, something came up. A brother's school fees, a sister's health crisis, rent for the parents, or food for the entire house, while her mates were busy building their own life. Amara was busy being the backbone of the family. Because of her responsibility, love had to wait. She was too busy solving everyone's problem to notice the year flying by. Marriage came late when she was older and too tired, but she finally found a man who accepted her past and her present. They married with quiet joy, hoping for children. But life didn't give her that easily. She couldn't conceive. The same people she has helped now whispered behind her back. After years of trying, Amara decided to adopt a baby boy. She poured all the love in her heart into him, raising him with value, gave him the best she could afford, and make sure she never lacked the love he grew up strong and handsome. But as he grew, so his resentment, he started asking questions about his real parents, about his origins, and the storm of teenager anger and bitterness he lost sight of who raised him. One day, an argument got out of hands. The boy, now a young man, snapped in one horrible moment of rage. He did the unthinkable. He took the life of the only person who had ever truly loved him. Amara's story became a headline. Women killed by adopted son who raised him from birth. And just like that, her beauty's sacrifice but her story lived on, not just as a tragedy, but a warning and a painful reminder that not all who give everything get it back. And sometimes love alone is not enough to fix what the world has broken. After the incident, the boy Samuel was arrested. The community was in shock. Everyone who knew Amara couldn't understand how the same boy or the same child he raised with so much love could end her life. The story went viral, drawing attention from across the countries. Some blamed society, some blamed the boy, and others whispered that Amara had loved too blindly. Samuel was tired as an adult. In court, he was quiet. Not once did he try to deny what he has done. When asked why simply did he do that, he was angry. He said he was angry. I thought she was hiding things from me. I didn't think. I just snapped. He was arrested to many years in P. Behind bars, reality hit him. No more special meal, no more unconditional love, no more Amara. He begins to remember all the things she did for him, how she stays up when he was sick, how she saved his school shoes and school fees, how she forgave him over and over until now. She was gone by his own hands. Years passed. Samuel became the shadow of himself in P. He started writing letters to no one in particular, later filled with regret and pains, an apology he could never deliver. Some said he found fits. Others said he lost his mind. But one thing was clear, he will carry the weight of what he did for the rest of his life. And Amara, she was buried quietly with only a few neighbors and distant relative presence. But her story still rang, a story of love, sacrifice, and how even the pure heart can break under the weight of too much giving. So besties, that comes to the end of the stories. So besties, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my beautiful makeup look with sweet stories, interesting storylines coming your way. Remember, God will never fail you, so please keep supporting me. Thank you so much, and may Jehovah bless you.